Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today I'll show you how to install footwell lights. Got myself a kit from AliExpress, a cheap one that connects to the cigarette lighter, but I'm gonna cut the plug from here and connect it to the ambient light. First, I'm gonna route the lights under the dashboard and under the seats. The kit comes to two LED strips that are longer for the back and two for the front. First, we're gonna remove the central console. And we're gonna remove this plastic cover here. We just pull it like this on both sides. I'm gonna take this 7mm screw out. I'm gonna take the controller and put it through here. One LED strip for the front. Put it to this side, one on this side. Take it through here. I'll do the same on the other side. I'm gonna peel the double-sided tape and stick them underneath the dashboard on both sides. With the rear strips that are having the longer cables, I'm gonna do the same. Put them through here. And pull them to the back. So I'm gonna get the cables underneath the console. The rear lights, I left them a bit more loose, the wire, to allow, this is all the way to the front of the seat, to allow movement on the rails of the seats. I put them on the plastic a bit further to the back, but should be alright because the double-sided tape probably won't stick to the textile, obviously. This is how it looks with the seats in position. So you barely see the cable there and there. So the cigarette lighter, I'm gonna cut it from here. So I cut the cigarette lighter plug and I'm gonna connect it to the wire here that goes to the ambient light. I'm gonna connect to these two wires for the ambient light. The black probably is the ground and the white is the plus. So I cut the wire and I'm gonna splice both of them here. I'm gonna disconnect the battery just in case to prevent any shorts. I should solder the wires, but I don't have a solderer, and I used to have some T-tap connectors, but I cannot find them. Would have been easier to connect the wires, but for now I'm gonna leave it like this. So let's disconnect the battery. So I've connected red on the white one, black on the black one, like I said. Now we connect it back. Get this end, put it to the controller, connect the battery back on. The ambient light looks like it's working. Looks like we have some lights here. So it looks like they are working. I'm gonna have a video in the evening to see how they look in the night. Those that don't have from factory the ambient light and the wiring, they can connect to the cigarette lighter. I'm assuming here the purple cable is the plus and the black is the ground. Okay, now let's put everything back together. So everything is put back together, no wires showing. I got some battle scars in the process, got myself a cut. But I'm very happy with the end result. I hope you find this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos and see you on the next one.